Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope you guys are having a wonderful day, morning, night, whatever. So today I'll be showing you how you can make an animated texture. So let's get on with the video. So today, what first you need to do is you need to click on your canvas. I'm going to be using Paint 3D because it's pretty much the only drawing software I have on my computer. So I'm just going to click on Transparent Canvas. So by default, you might have Lock Aspect Ratio on and Resize Image with Canvas on. You want to make sure you turn off these two, so it doesn't glitch out when you're trying to make a texture pack. So next of all, we're gonna open up our calculator and we're gonna do some quick calculations. This would be quick. So it depends on which texture pack you're using. Like it depends on like what resolution your texture pack is. So let's like if it's like 64 or 32 pixels, then you want to say 32 by 64 times blank. So like 32 times blank. So I'm going to be using a 16 by 16 texture pack, so I'm going to be doing 16 times and how many frames you want that to be. So I'm going to make this 5 frames. So this is going to be 16 times 5 equals 80. So you just want to press your C, T, R, L, and then C. Control C. So after when you press Control C, you want to go to your width. And paste that, and then your height is actually going to be 80. Want to remove those extra numbers there, and your width is going to be the resolution of your texture pack. So for me, 16. So you have this long bar right here, which is going to be your textures. So you want to first of all go to the texture pack they're using right here. You want to right click, open. And then when this opens, you want to go to Edit and Create and click on Edit with Paint 3D. Once this opens up, this will be very quickly. So we're just going to wait until this loads. And then when we zoom into here, you want to click on Select. You want to get this whole image. As you can see, it's 16 pixels by 16 pixels. You want to click Control C, CTRL C. We can just exit out of here. Also exit out here. I go to our animation. Press Control V. Now, for you, you might see this black bar around it. That is fine. We can just continue doing this, and as you can see, it would be fixed. So if this would happen to you, it's just a weird glitch. So you can just go to your brushes. You can click on this eraser button. Set the thickness to 1 pixel. And just remove all of the black parts. So I want to cut the video. Just remove all of the black over here that's surrounding your main texture. And then do not remove the other, do not remove anything a part of that texture or else your animation would be glitchy. So I'm going to cut it right here. And then I'll uncut when you see all the black gone. So as you can see, our textures are looking a little bit less weird, and now we can just continue doing Control V. We want to click on this, then we do Control V, and then we would get that popped up again. We want to do Control V again, and bring this down, and make sure the gap between the stem and the apple is 2 pixels, not 1, not 3, only 2. So I'm making this 5 frames, so I'm going to do this one more time. and now this is 2 pixels right here. So on the bottom, this should be 1 pixel gap, and on the top, there should be 1 pixel gap. So if these are not even, so then you want to check if these are if these apples have 2 gaps between them. But if there's none, then congratulations, you've actually done this. So now, what you want to do is you want to make an animation, because right now these apples are just looking the same right now. So we kind of want this thing to just look pretty good. So what we can do is we can click on our pixel pen, set the thickness to 1, and then let's just add like a red effect. So start it. Nope, that's too high. So we start it like right here. My plan is for it to go all the way down. So after when you go this over here, you're gonna go to the next frame and make sure that this goes in a different spot. So like this, and then like this, and then this, and this. So as you can see, like the red line kind of goes down the apple to give it like that type of like cool um stripe down effect. I think that looks pretty cool. So I'm going to cut, and I'm going to give this more detail, but you want to do something that looks like this. So now I have something that looks a little bit better. I have a red, blue, and gray type of effect going down the apple. And now we are going to do the code to animate this apple. So we are going to go minimize this. So I already have this saved. So as you can see, we have our apple golden. Oh yeah, when you save it, make sure it's the exact same file name as what you edit it from. So this is our animation. Now this is what we're going to replace this. So we're going to get an apple golden.png, and we're going to put this into our apple golden.png. Place file and destination. And now when we open this up, you would see our new textures of the apples. So we can just close out of that. So now what we're going to do is we're going to make a new text document. So we're going to click on right click, we're going to click on new, click on text document. Oh, I don't know what happened to my screen, but it's just a little bug. So we would want to rename this to dot property. Okay, so this is probably going to pop up. Just want to click yes. I actually don't know how to spell property, so I'll choose. I'm sorry, I'm not even good at spelling. So I'm just gonna pause this real quick, and then when I rename it to like the right thing. So I did some research, and it's not dot properties, it's actually dot mc meta. That's MCMETA, no spaces. As you can see right here, it says rename file extension. Are you sure you want to change it? Yes. So now this for me this is a I already mess with texture packs, so this is why it has a notepad logo. But if that doesn't work for you, then you just want to right click, want to click on open with, and then you will see notepad over here. If you can't see this, and click on more apps, then you'll see notepad over here. Or WordPad. Notepad, WordPad, both would work. I'm gonna turn this off. Because when you open this, it would just be the same. So while this is opening, I'm going to cut and show you when it opens. So I did more research, and actually it cannot be WordPad. It has to be Notepad, because Notepad has a basic language that's different from WordPad, which that's what Minecraft uses. So you cannot use something that looks like this. If you're using something that looks like this, then you need something that looks like this. So just try to find the app on your computer that says Notepad, and then open it with that. So I already have my animation here saved. So you just want to do this symbol um with just want to type in these animation, another this symbol, a colon. I don't know how to. I don't know what these names are. I'm gonna do a colon, this symbol again, and this symbol again. You want to type in frame time, not frame rate, frame time. You want to use this symbol, a colon, and space two space these two symbols, no space. Actually, yes, there's a space here. Never mind. And also, like a space right here is two, and a space right here too, and a space right here too. So once you type that, I'll put this in the description if you have trouble typing this. I'll just put this in the description and paste it into your notepad. So you just want to exit out of this. You want to click on save. Now we are gonna rename this to Apple underscore golden dot mcmeta, because we're gonna rename this the same way. So that's Apple underscore golden dot mcmeta. So now we have this texture. So we have this. So what we can do is is put this in our texture on our textures items folder. So now you can click out of this. And by the way, just so you know, this is a sneak peek of my texture pack. So yeah, you better be lucky. I'm just only gonna show a little bit, not a lot, but I hope you guys subscribe so you can see the rest of my texture pack. So I'm gonna pause this until Minecraft loads up. By the way, it does not matter what client you're using, but by the way, and also, this texture pack is for 1.8 and under. It cannot be used for 1.9, it cannot be used for 1.10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. It cannot be for those versions. It has to be under 1.8.9. So yeah, just so you know. So when you have Lunar Client on, or when you have Minecraft on 1.8 or under, you want to go to your Minecraft settings or just your regular settings. You want to click on Resource Packs, and then you want to scroll down or scroll up to this texture pack that I'm working on. This is the 100 subscriber special, so just make sure to subscribe if you want to get this as soon as possible. So we're going to turn this on, click on Done, and while Minecraft loads, I will pause this, and when it unloads the textures, then I will unpause. Okay, so it appears that we might have messed up something. Oh yeah, by the way, this is what the texture pack looks like. I mean, to be honest, I think this looks pretty flippin' dope, not gonna lie. Look at this, bruh. Who would not want to use this texture pack? Like, look, you can pretty much just see the entire world. I love it. Anyways, so as you can see, there's a little bit of a problem. Our golden apple, it looks a little, something looks a little off here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to try to fix this. Yeah, sorry peeps. I'll be right back. So that was a little bit weird. So I just realized what we need to fix. We need to add a .png and then a .mcmeta. So you want to click the Windows button R. You want to open up %appdata%. So let me open up this folder real quick. So this will pop up. Click on type in %appdata percent appdata percent. Click on OK. and then this will open up. You want to go to your .minecraft, go to your resource packs, and then you can go to 100 subscriber special, assets, Minecraft, textures, items. Now we have our Apple golden.mc meta. We want to click on that. We want to find the place where it should say rename. Oh, I can't say rename. That's a little bit weird. Hold on. Okay, so now you have the .mc meta on your desktop. You want to rename. Type in .png. Apple underscore golden.png.mc meta. That's just how Minecraft works. I'm not the creator of Minecraft or Optifine, so yeah, sorry about that. I know it's confusing, I know, so we can just replace this. So we can just delete this folder. So just deleted, and then we can put this in here. And now we have our new folder. Oh, by the way, this is how much textures I had to change. So you guys better be thankful, because holy crap, this took maybe longer than needed to, but this is a lot of textures. So I hope you guys really could like and subscribe this video, because these videos really do take a really long time. So since we have this in our folder, we can just safely exit out of that, and we can just delete this because it's already in our folder. So now we just open new Minecraft balloon client, and now I'll be waiting for the new client to load up. And when you see that, you can just launch 1.8 on any version of Minecraft, doesn't matter. So I'm gonna go pause this and wait for the video just to load up. Okay, now that we have Minecraft loaded up, we can just go to single player and go to our tutorial world. And now I think that we're finished with fixing our golden apple. This should look for this to load. A really long time. Okay. Now guys, look at our look at an apple. So yeah, that's a finished tutorial of how you guys could make a singing video. Goodbye.